Alright, so today we're going to be working on our kneeling hip flexor stretch. Now this actually stretches out parts of the thighs, your glutes, parts between your glutes and your hips and your knees. So this is not just for your hip flexors. Now we're going to be in kind of a lunge position. Make sure you have some sort of soft surface like a mat here. If you have a yoga mat, try to fold it up, get a couple layers in there because your knee's going to be really pressing into the floor. We're going to bring one leg forward and out, just like we're in a lunge position. Now our knee's actually going to sit right here, weight's going to go into the floor. So the back leg, minimal weight, just really there to help you balance. Now, when you're ready, push through your heel. We're going to really drive our weight through that heel, hips pushing forward. We're going to keep the back nice and engaged. Bring the shoulders out. Drive forward. And relax. So while we're doing this, we're going to make sure we're breathing. As we inhale, nice and relaxed. As we exhale, push outwards, push forward. Try to get a little deeper into that stretch. And switch sides. We're going to go for 30 to 60 seconds on each side here typically. And as, again, with all stretches, your goal is to stretch the muscle out over time. You don't want to try to crank it out and stretch it so far that you're feeling pain. If you're feeling pain from this, stop. You're probably going a little too far. So again, open up the shoulders, keep the back engaged, drive forward into the heel, hips pressing in. Inhale and exhale, push a little deeper down. 30 to 60 seconds, and that is your kneeling hip flexor stretch.